In the heart of Yancey County, where towering mountains frame the horizon, Charlotte firefighters work tirelessly, bringing hope to a community devastated by Hurricane Helene. They move with purpose, sifting through rubble and providing relief. These men and women, alongside crews from across the country, are here on a mission, not just to search, but to help this community rise again.
With the heavy flooding last week and the devastation the area took, there are hundreds of debris piles. And we've had federal teams in, FEMA teams with K9 to help us search. And they have alerted to several of these that we need to go and double check. Our mission as the second team is to do these follow-ups, dig through these piles if need be, and search for folks that may have gone missing.
The task ahead is enormous. Charlotte Fire's team is stepping in to assist in the search for missing people. But it's not just a recovery mission, it's also about providing relief. Crews are checking on residents in hard-to-reach areas, ensuring they have the medicines, food, and water they need to survive.
Any kind of damage assessment around these areas that we can help with, welfare checks from time to time, check on people that need medicines, food and water, just trying to help any way we can. But this morning, we're going down to a hard-hit area off the South Toe River that took out several buildings and homes with large rubble piles. And we're going to work with the State Bureau of Investigation, or their K9 teams, to clear some of these piles.
The South Toe River has claimed homes and lives, leaving behind a landscape littered with debris. Charlotte Fire, working closely with the State Bureau of Investigation and their K9 teams, meticulously combed through the rubble, determined to bring closure to families who are waiting for answers.
The importance now is giving someone's loved one back. We want to provide closure, and we want to do it with the utmost respect and dignity. So we come in here, we bring a small group. We don't try to have a big media presence. We don't have any of that. We're looking for somebody's family members. Just like if I had lost a family member, I would want that to be recovered, just for my closure. This community has been devastated, and it's tough.
For the firefighters, this is personal. Every effort is made with dignity and respect, knowing that each piece of debris cleared could bring someone home. The mission isn't about the media or recognition. It's about giving a family their loved one back.
It's important to the folks in this county. It's important to the folks in the state. They had an emergency, they had a disaster up here. Several people were missing loved ones, and that's what we do. We come in to help. We come in to assist in those times. Our guys will work themselves to death. I think that's apparent back home in Charlotte in everyday work. These guys haven't stopped. The first team didn't stop. Now these guys are the same way. They're working, they're wanting to find closure for these families.
It's not just the community that has been affected. These firefighters, who work themselves to the brink, lean on each other as they push through the emotional toll of their work. They understand that they won't always be able to save everyone, but providing closure to even one family is what drives them forward.
Being in the fire service, it truly is a family. And you have these calls where you can't save those all the time. You try your best to save everyone. Sometimes it doesn't work out that way. And the way you handle it is talk amongst each other. You lean on each other.
The recovery efforts in Yancey County are far from over. As long as there is hope of bringing peace to even one more family, these crews will keep going. Charlotte Fire is committed to the mission, ensuring that the beauty of this area isn't marred by unanswered questions, but filled with the strength of a community coming together in the face of disaster.